I want to learn how to twist a bullet.
Wait, another train. Wait,
there's people on it.
There's people on that train.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Ow.
Go.
My legs.
Oh fuck! Oh, I followed you. Oh.
Oh, jeez. Whoa. Ow, I'm okay.
God damn it, Muffins.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
All right, Harold, hop on.
Got safety first.
81 going 1041, 10
I'm gonna try and jump on.
That sounds very dangerous and reckless. Why don't we just follow the train and see where it goes?
Yeah, 10-4 on that. The cadet's got it right.
Thank you.
I'm gonna tag the train.
God damn it.
I missed over.
So we gotta wear a helmet.
God damn it. You have an open face helmet on, Harold.
Yeah, but it's got a little thing around the mouth.
All right, let's fall back. Follow the train.
Get back, 99.
Oh shit!
Listen, I've been riding bikes my entire life. Gonna be okay.
Oh, it's good because you're ancient. That's like many years of training.
They're throwing projectiles. God damn it. Watch out.
Throwing projectiles back.
Do you have any projectiles, Harold?
No. I didn't get any gas canisters or grenades.
Oh, God. Almost got hit. Harold.
Serpentine.
Yeah.
In my jacket pocket.
Yeah.
I've got some rocks in there. Grab them.
Can I ask why?
I might need you to throw them for self-defense.
Oh, over this is Los Santos Police Department.
Yeah, but I mean, like, why do you have rocks?
Ouch.
Because you never know, okay?
Oh.
We need 52s on his location.
Wow, Harold, you're really good at code. It's your first day, too.
Thank you. I've had it used on me quite a lot.
Get him, Harold, goddammit.
Chucking rocks while moving is very hard. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
It's okay, it's gonna be fine. Hang on tight.
I don't have a seatbelt on.
Wait, you don't have your seatbelt on? What the hell?
There's no seatbelt.
Oh, these guys have guns.
I told you they had guns.
Guys in front have guns.
You guys kind of openly just following them. What do you expect them to do? Not shoot? Oh shit!
Ah, damn it.
I made it.
Oh. Now he's just on a train alone with a bunch of people with guns.
Yeah, I know. We gotta get on there.
Are we engaging or are we waiting?
I'd wait for backup, 9-9. Okay, we're gonna get ahead of it and try to get on, okay?
Yeah, I mean, I trust you, Wimley.
Might have been your first mistake.
I trust that too.
All right, hop off. Let's go.
What are we doing?
We're gonna jump on.
All
Ready?
we had to do is follow the train.
Huh. I think we lost one.
All right, what's the play here?
Harold, are you okay?
No. I'll take the bike. I'm okay.
All right, keep following the train, Harold. Where's 9-3?
I don't think she's made it on yet.
Ah, damn it.
Yeah, she's right there.
Oh, okay. All right. Where are these fellas at?
They're all the way in the back.
Jesus. They're on the other side near the end.
Okay.
Alright, what's the call here?
Put him up. Move. They're running.
I broke the bike. I'm gonna wait for a taxi.
Get cover. They've got automated firearms. Ah, shit. We got an officer down. These tanks are explosive. Let's be careful.
I'll cover you.
Come back. Too old for this shit.
All right, what are you thinking?
I don't know. God, we probably should have just followed them, honestly.
Yeah, you think eventually it stops?
I don't know. I mean, it's got to, right? Okay, what I'm thinking, next bush we see, we're gonna hop off. Harold, okay, ready? Over here, 9-9.
I'm gonna ride the DCSO and I'll get a car.
Oh.
What's your 20?
Yeah, I don't think they saw us. We just hopped off the train. Who the hell was that?
I have no idea.
There's a vehicle following the train, looked like a black four-door. God, that was a shit show.
We didn't get pictures, nothing.
Nothing. That was an epic failure.
I don't know. Using the chopper? All you had to do was follow the damn train. Wimley, did you lose the train? All you had to do was stay with the damn train, Wimley.
We should have just stayed on the train.
Listen, we were under heavy attack. We didn't want to take any casualties, all right, Cheeto? Should have just followed the fucking thing. Why is there a boat here?
Oh, you haven't heard about this boat?
No.
Oh yeah, this is the great boat that the first settlers came in
I got eyes
to
of
Los
a
Santos.
bunch of people in a green car.
Keep tabs on that.
Okay, 10-40. Hopefully they don't get suspicious of my lights and sirens.
Well, then turn them off, Harold. All right,
10-4.
this is the original boat that the settlers came over on.
Yeah, the first people that inhabited Los Santos. This is the boat.
Well, I'm gonna pee on it.
Yeah, all right.
Should we go in for the arrest? I got muffins with me.
Wait, is it just you guys?
10-4, boss man.
Oh shit, there's guys with masks on my 20.
What's your 20? Oh yeah, those are the ones I see. I'm going in.
Yeah.